Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. Guys, as the market continues to be volatile, was a really down day early in the morning. Did pick up a little bit towards the afternoon, but definitely down in most sectors. I think some ended up green by the end of the day, but Cummins was not one of them. That's what we're going to cover today. And it is out of the industrial sector, guys. And as the market continues to stay volatile, I'll keep bringing these stock pick of the day series to you. We cover dividend growth investing on this channel, the stocks that I purchase every week, as well as stocks that I suggest or think might be of fair value. So if you're interested in that type of content, guys, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell down below. With that said, let's get right into the video. Cummins, guys, is a manufacturer of motors. They're all different sectors, that in the agricultural, a lot of cars, trucks, construction equipment, that sort of thing, fire pumps, engines, associated material and equipment that goes along with motors, but primarily they are a motor manufacturer. You can find more information on Cummins if you're interested at www.cummins.com. This is their homepage here. Here you can see some of the motors that they make. These I think are more for your heavy equipment, probably industrial or construction type material equipment. We're going to take a look at Cummins Inc., ticker CMI, again out of the industrial sector. Closed the business at $196.15. It was down 1.53% on the day. Actually, it was down more than that, but like I said, it did recover towards the end of the day. Closed at $196.15. 52-week range, a low of $189.50, a high of $273.65. Market cap of $27.868 billion. Does have a beta of 1.04, so it's right in line with the overall market as far as volatility goes. PE ratio of 13.43. That is a low PE, especially for a company like Cummins. Forward dividend of $5.80. That is paid out quarterly, and a yield of 2.91%. So a nice yielding dividend stock. Had its ex-dividend date February 17th, 2022, and a one-year target estimate of $259.41. At least that's what Yahoo Finance has it. That's where I pull this information from. Not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, but if you wanted to look up this stock or other stocks, that is one place that I go for more information. Let's look to see what some other analysts have to say. This information is brought to you by stockanalysis.com. Again, not affiliated, just where I pull the information from. Looking at the same company, Cummins, ticker CMI, out of the industrial sector. According to 29 stock analysts that have taken a look at this, they call it a buy. And their one-year estimated target dates or target rate, $209.07. That would be upside of 6.59% from where it currently sits. It's actually above or below their lowest estimate. Their average estimate is $268.84. That would be a 37.06% appreciation. And if it hit their high of $319.20, that would be 62.73% stock appreciation, guys. Again, another one that's fallen back a little bit, maybe worth taking a look at out of the industrial sector. If you're looking to add something out of the industrial sector, might take a look at Cummins. They are doing some, if you look more into them, they are doing some work on alternative energy as well, transitioning from gas and diesel powered motors. Diesel primarily is what they're into a more electric motor, which is pretty interesting to me that some of this big equipment that they're looking at, especially agricultural and construction equipment, big tractors and stuff like that, big excavators, dump trucks and stuff like that, that they're looking at ways to electrify those. That's pretty amazing to me. One thing to do a car or e-bike or motorcycles or something like that, but some of this is bigger equipment. That's pretty astounding in my opinion. Really interesting stuff. If you guys are interested, take a look at that. With that said, guys, that's the end of this video. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how your portfolio is doing, guys. Do you have Cummins in your portfolio? Is it one you're looking at? I do personally read and respond to all the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions and or opinions or suggestions for future videos, guys. Drop them down below. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you next time, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and selected criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.